Let's discuss about the Google Maps Gold system by Chad Kimball. A lot of people have been asking me, Maverick, what did you think about this program? A promise to teach people how they can, easily get their business to be at the top page of Google. Although one thing about this program is that there are not a lot of simplified information regarding this program. But what we know Chad promised to teach is how you can leverage Google to start making money to promote your business and make a whole lot of money online. Now, when it comes to SEO aspect and also when it comes to Google, I'm one of a fan of those people that likes to use Google to promote my business and a whole lot of things. Okay, and discussing about this, you can see right there, the page it's already showing how to make money from home as a Google Map landlord. You can see right here there are a lot of testimonials right there on this page and a whole lot like that. So you can see. All right. So now, what I'm certain that you might have seen these already, or possibly you might have landed on the page from Chat, and you are able to get in touch with this program. Okay. Now you can see that what this program promise is getting money with Google, and it's kind of an high ticket program. Okay, it's a high ticket program, something around, if you need to schedule a call with one of his team, you can see talk with us, schedule a call to talk with one of our coaches one on one to help jumpstart you to success. Now there is no fast route to getting success. Okay, everything takes time. That is what you have to know. And a lot of people have been, even people in my group have been saying a lot of stuffs about Shad, and that is why this review is going to be going in depth about what this program and some of the things that you need to know about the program. Okay, now talking about my opinion on several things that you need to know. There are a lot of information regarding Google on YouTube. Okay, if you go to YouTube, you're gonna get a lot of information regarding how you can rank your business on Google. Some of the things that is gonna be putting you through, likely that is gonna be putting you through, is also aspects of SEO, Google My Business, and several other things that you're gonna be learning. So if you're going ahead to pay $5,000 for that, then you at least you should be paying $5,000 for something that you know that you can instantly start getting results. And one thing about Google is that Google don't just rank your website easily. Okay, so whatever it is you want to do, you being a Google landlord, it takes a little bit of time because it's not quickly that they're just gonna start ranking you and you start making money fast like that. Okay, now blogging is a good way, or using Google rather, to to possibly make money online is a good way. But the fact that it costs like $5,000, and I've not been able to see much of charge stuff on Google. So it being $5,000 is what I really cannot comprehend. Okay, and moreover, there are a whole lot of tutorials on Google that you can use to start making money with blogging or with Google. I mean, I started making money through Google without even enrolling in any high ticket course. Okay, so paying $5,000 is something too much. All right, and another thing is that you really wouldn't need capital like that when it comes to Google. You wouldn't need much of capital because the only thing you possibly need is a website, and you can even use some free websites to also possibly rank on Google and become promote your business. So capital is not really much needed. That is what I like about Google. You really do not need much of capital because uh Google is more like a traffic source. Okay, so it's more like you need Google to get traffic. Okay, so that is just how it works. So in case Chad is telling you that, okay, you can use Google to make money online, it's possible, but you still need to have something that you'll be promoting, because Google is just like a traffic source for business entrepreneurs. All right, well, if I'm to commend, I'm gonna say Chad is a reputable person. Okay, and he has been in the internet space for a long time. You can see him right there with his big beards. Okay, and he's a reputable man, and I've been able to see some of his stuffs from his social media pages. Okay, and he's been doing great also in the internet marketing space and using Google to make some money. All right, so this is also what is teaching also how you can use Google to make money. All right, but however, the fact that it's $5,000 is kind of a little bit high. Okay, yeah, it's kind of a little bit higher than usual. Okay, now another thing you need to know is that booking a call with him doesn't mean that you're speaking directly with him. Okay, so in case you go ahead book a call and you feel like you're speaking directly to him, no, you're only speaking with his closer. Now I've been seeing people saying, oh, they try to talk to child, and the way he's speaking to them is kind of so strict and harder. But one thing you need to know is that he is not the one speaking with you. He's only the person speaking to you is the closer that he employed. So that is another thing you need to know. All right, so you're not speaking directly to him. So in case you see anybody that is kind of speaking Ashley on the phone to you, then that is not him directly. Okay, he paid some closers too close for him. I mean, we even booked a call with one of the closers, and that is how we got charged $5,000 for this. Okay. And one thing about Google is that Google's type of business is not something that a newbie can easily master. Okay, it takes time for you to be able to get perfect with Google. Like if you want to go ahead and use Google to make money or promote your business, it is not something that you can go ahead and quickly get started with and you expect to make huge money like that. Okay, so Google's business requires time. So even if you go ahead pay $5,000, you still need to know that you have to follow the process. Okay, you need to follow the step-by-step process. That is how it works with Google. All right. And one thing you need to know also is that online business requires time. Okay, if there's any business out there telling you that okay you can quickly make money, it requires time. Okay, so you need to give it time, but Google even requires much time. And these days, the Google's algorithm is even crazy now. So, a lot of bloggers are kind of complaining, but it still doesn't matter that there is no opportunity. But you just need to know that Google is not something that you go into easily and you expect fast money. So whatever chat is promising you or possibly telling you that okay you can make fast money, it doesn't work that way. Okay, so it takes time for you to get results. Okay, you can see now doing Google Maps business listing for just shy of 500 different franchise owners all over United States. So possibly also you'll be using this to render it as a service to other people. Okay, you render Google service to other people in the United States. So but look, it's not just as easy as that. All right, so you just have to follow the process and possibly give it time. Okay, if you want to enroll for this, give it time, and also don't go ahead and just pay the full $5,000. You might possibly pay half and you can pay the rest later on, maybe when you see that okay it is worth your time. Okay, if you see that it is worth it, you can go ahead and make payment. But if you see that okay it is not really worth it, then you know that at least you do not lose a whole lot of money. Okay, but whenever you're speaking with the closer, just be careful because those guys can try as much as possible to get you to pay. Okay, so I would just say don't go ahead pay everything in full. You can decide to pay half or a little part of it before going ahead to pay the full price. Okay, so that is what I have for you in this review video. Thank you very much. And also I've been able to see some people ask me questions. Maverick, we are kind of looking for a way to make money online. What do you suggest? Well, as I'm a YouTuber. Okay, majorly focus on YouTubing and blogging, but I focus more on YouTube. The reason is because YouTube is still much easier for me. Okay, even though it's video, and it's easy for me because I make use of AI to do my stuff. And with YouTube, you even make more money. Okay, from ad revenue and all that, and also promote some product. I have several other YouTube channels that I run, like 3 other YouTube channels that I run, and they've been making money from me. But the fact that I'm able to use AI for these channels, they've kind of helped me to boost my productivity, and also they've helped me to reduce cost. Okay, like the AI I'm using has helped me to reduce cost that I should pay for a graphics designer or video editor and all that. So that is why I recommend Jet. Okay, Jet is the tool that I use for my videos. So I use it to create short videos and also long form videos for my other types of channels. And with this tool, even someone who is not techie can easily operate it. It generates videos for you, generates the description, the title. It even generates the video thumbnail for you that is going to be showing the graphics and everything. It does everything for you in a landing page, in an all-in-one page, and it even generates landing page or sales page for you that you can use to promote your product. Okay, so that is why I like Jet. And in case you want to try Jet, you can click the link in the video description. I check the screen, you're gonna see it there. Jet is a good tool to have for everyone. Okay, if you want to make money online, it's a good tool that can help you create videos without having to show your face or even without having to talk. Okay, so everything can be done for you. It has non-copyrighted videos that you can use and images, and it also has non-copyrighted voiceovers to your videos that you can upload, and you can easily start making money online. Okay, although it's not also rocket science, it's not that easy, but at least this is AI that does everything for you, because what Jet is offering is what several other people out there who teach YouTube charge $5,000 even more for. But this AI does everything for you. rather than those courses that teach you and possibly you won't even be able to apply what you are being taught. So I like to use softwares because software as a service, something that it's worked for you rather than teaching you, is better than enrolling in high-ticket courses. So if you want to try out Jet, you can click the link in the video description or check the screen is gonna be there. You can copy paste it on your browser and you can head straight to get Jet for yourself. The funny thing is that it's just a one-time purchase, the price of a burger. It is not even very expensive. It's just a small price product. Okay, although the price keeps increasing every day, but it's still increasing in cents. So possibly you might still be able to get it at a more cheaper price for the price of a burger. Okay, so thank you very much for your time. I hope this video has been helpful. If it is, kindly make sure that you hit the red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I drop new review videos like this. And also don't forget to hit the thumbs up button so that YouTube can recommend this video to several other people out there who might possibly need videos, tutorials like this. Peace and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.